Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to be looking into JETS, which is an exchange traded fund that trades mostly in different US airlines. And this is actually the first ETF that I have taken a look at on the channel, and I thought this would be a really good time to take a look at this one. So as you can see here, towards the beginning of the year, the stock was above $31, and then it went all the way at its lowest point to about $11.25, and it's actually nearing that point again at trading just above $12. Here are a list of the top 10 holdings in the ETF. The top four, constituting about 44% of the percentage of assets, are American Airlines, Southwest, Delta, and United. So as you can see by looking down the list, the biggest holdings by far are US airlines, but there are some air freight stocks and whatnot in there as well. And here we can see their top 10 sectors, but there's actually only really four, and the vast majority, almost entirely, the top sector is airlines, and beyond that, US airlines, but there's also US freight, aerospace, and airport services. Airlines and airport services really go hand in hand right now, and aerospace stocks are really down as well right now. So air freight is the only one that's not seeing any major changes right now. And here are the top 10 countries broken up by assets, with 81% of it being in the United States, most of which we just saw in the top holdings, but there's also the UK, France, Brazil, Mexico, Italy, Finland, Japan, and Germany, and this all adds up to about 95 or 96%, so I'm guessing there's also a handful of countries with a very small percentage of assets in there as well. Now that I have kind of shared what the ETF is, I wanted to also share my opinion on the overall industry. In my opinion, it is very possible that one of the big US major airlines will go bankrupt, and they may not be listed here. There's also about 10 others that would majorly affect the market. But JETS is really a way of diversifying. You may want to invest in one airline, but you're not exactly sure which one would be the best to do so. So JETS is really the best way, in my opinion, to go about that, and I've actually personally done that in my Robinhood account. Now here's my own personal stake in JETS. I have 27 shares, and I actually just added another 6 or 7 shares a couple of days ago. I got in at $12.30, and I think it only went down to $12.25. So I'm really happy about the price I was able to get in at, as well as my average cost that I do have on this now, and I think it's going to see a really good return. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I've uploaded a few other videos on some of the airlines if you would like to go check those out, and subscribe for more content. Thank you so much for watching.